What's going on, guys? Crypto Jeremy here, back with our XRP video. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. In today's video, XRP 43.8 cents. Really recovering a little bit slower than the rest of the cryptocurrency market, but that is to be expected. It is losing steam a little bit, but hopefully it will bounce off, a certain level that I'm looking at. Let's get straight into it. If you enjoyed this video, which I know you will, if you learned something, smash a like button. It's simple. It helps me a lot. I appreciate the support, guys. I'm getting back in the groove of making videos daily. And I really appreciate the support. And let's hit 200 likes in today's video. So if the like button's not 200 likes, YouTubers, they ask for likes and everything. YouTube doesn't recommend my videos anymore because I haven't been uploading. So liking it helps with the engagement, helps to get recommended more, and then they'll pop up on your feed, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So anyways, XRP 48.3 cents. I'm looking at the fib, okay? The fib that I talked about in last video. We did not actually get low enough to bounce off the 618 here. But we are currently, we did kind of have support on the 0.5 as I talked about. I think I talked about that in yesterday's video. But the sell-off that happened here was due to the stock market. Okay, the stock market struggled yesterday, recovering now S&P around 369 last time I checked, or that would have been SPY 3,690 for the S&P. But yeah, look, if it drops below 618, bearish, right? But as long as it's above the 618, I still have some sort of confidence that we will bounce back at least to the 236, or at best to the 236, and if we break above that, trend is reversed. But there's an indicator, guys, that I found that is consistent as hell on the hourly for XRP, and that is the Bollinger Bands with the standard deviation of 3. Now, I haven't done statistics in a few years now, but if I remember correctly, 3 standard deviation is around 97%, or it could be 99%. Point is, it's really rare. But what I've noticed is every time that we break above that, or we wick above, it is a decent shorting opportunity. Every single time. This one is debatable because we were kind of in such good momentum. But if you got in really quick with the quick scalp, you're out 1 cent profit. It dropped 1 cent. But look at that, every single time, the second we break the wicks above that Bollinger Band, it is a short opportunity. And this, guys, this is a 51 to, let's say, average here, 49. 49 to average 47, 2 cents pretty much every time. Let's say you enter the short position here, 42 down to average of like 40 cents. 2 cent gains consistently on the hourly with the Bollinger Band. This one exception, but it's consistent. Even look right here, for example, it's consistent as hell. I have never seen an indicator that is this consistent. In fact, not financial advice, I'm going to go trade this next time. Even in the bull market, even when we're pumping like crazy, even though this is the bear market, I haven't confirmed in the bull market. But look, even here, man, it's so obviously crazy, right? You wick above, enter a position, wherever the Bollinger Band is, and hold it for an hour or so, see what happens. Here, like, it's consistent as hell. There's always going to be a few occasions that it doesn't happen, but here the deviation was so little, right? We went from 38 to 39 flat, like 38, 38.2 to 39 flat. You're not gonna get liquidated on that, guys. I highly doubt it. Anyways, not financial advice, just sharing the knowledge with you guys, the actual fact, the actual things that work, okay? Not some BS stuff that people share or these stupid trend lines. No one cares about the freaking trend line. It doesn't do anything. I will actually just remove drawings because that is horrible. So yeah, look at the fibs. Going to be interesting over the next couple of days. Crypto market recovered a little bit, but I don't think it's over yet, guys, with this sell-off that we've been seeing. This guy here is famous hedge fund guy, $1 billion, multi-billion-dollar net worth. Renaissance as trust in crypto could enjoy renaissance as trust in banks fades. Key takeaways, legendary investor Stanley Druckenmiller has hinted at a renaissance for the crypto space if public trust fades in central banks. Still, rate hikes from the Fed and worsening macroeconomic conditions have proven brutal to the industry. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have not gone unnoticed by the traditional investment class. So what I'm thinking with this, guys, this guy knows way more about finance than I will ever know, okay? However, I think that retail is what's driving this pump, right? So you have your institutional investors that will buy, but then retail is what allows the pump to be continuous and for it actually to pump. And I don't think retail's in a position right now to want to buy cryptocurrency. So what we're going to have to see here is we're going to have to see a perspective where supply diminishes and demand outweighs that supply. So in other words, where the order books are so consistently demand leaning that in the long term, we start accumulating. This happens, after halvings, for example, for Bitcoin. That's my thought. Those are my thoughts on that. So 589, I saw this thing right here. First of all, remember this, okay? XRP security in the United States, allegedly, right? Currency in every other country. And, this just shows that it's political. It's about regulation, leading by example, or showing an example, being an example. At the end of the day, like, it doesn't really matter, and we'll see what happens with the lawsuit. I'm sick and tired about the lawsuit. Sick and tired of talking about the lawsuit. Don't really worry about it. The damage is already done. The suppression on price action for XRP is already done. It's already happened. So there's nothing really we can change about that. What we can, however, talk about is this. So I saw this and I was like, there's no way that they actually made an article about this. And in the article, they literally say right here, where was it? In one episode, the longest running American animated series projected the price of XRP to be a little under 600. This is Photoshop, by the way, guys. This is not legit. You really think that the creators of The Simpsons would just give this insane, like, come on. Bro, it's not real. Everyone's talking about it. But the point here is that, even though it's not real, there are some that like the meme, aka David Schwartz. So 589 has become a meme. Back in the day, Bearable Guy 123, you guys remember him? He kind of made this a big thing. End of the day, right? 589 is not going to happen. Okay, it's unrealistic. It mean that XRP market cap would be too insane. Even 589 on coins that are $5 is not realistic. The supply is just too high. However, the idea, right? The consensus and the philosophy behind this sort of crazy, bullish prediction, right? Or like number is correct. And I think that realism is not really seen in the cryptocurrency space, especially in the XRP community. And I think when we talk about XRP, right? The coin should not be below $1, okay? It should be above $1, that's for sure. But I'm looking more at like 589 would just be unrealistic because people will sell before that, okay? It would take years and years and years for that to happen because there's too much sell pressure. Me, myself, right? I'll be out by $10, a good amount of my position. No doubt about it, okay? I don't really have an exit plan because I really think by, by how I'm feeling at that moment. But I will be out by $10, no doubt, and a lot of XRP, and I'll wait, for $3, whatever, to buy back. 589 not realistic, guys. I hate to rain on the parade, but let's change this movement to like $10 XRP because that's realistic. A $10 XRP will only be a 20x of the current market cap, which will put us at $400 billion market cap. Insanely achievable for XRP in a bull market. In Bitcoin reached $1 trillion market cap. Shitcoin Bitcoin. $10 XRP is extremely feasible. What has to happen? The U.S. has to recover. The world has to recover from this economic situation, right? SEC lawsuit has to be ruled or finished in Ripple's favor. That I'm way more confident in that. And there has to be a cryptocurrency bull market. Cryptocurrency has to become really adopted, or simply people could just start buying XRP. That's the beauty of it. In the long run, guys, I don't think Ripple's success is going to be directly translated to XRP price action, and that's one argument. That's one philosophy that I've changed my opinion on recently. I used to think, with the SEC, right? So the SEC is suing Ripple because the SEC thinks that there's an investment contract, right? The Howey says there's an investment contract between Ripple and people who buy XRP. That one's debatable. But one that's not, that I used to think was debatable as well, was the fact that Ripple's success is directly correlated to XRP's price action. So as an investment contract, you're investing in hopes of achieving some sort of payback or payoff from Ripple's success. That does not exist, okay? It's been a running meme since I joined the XRP community in 2018 that XRP does not move on Ripple news. And that's just true. There's been a few in the past, like the MoneyGram news made it pump to 42 cents, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. But it's very rare, and I don't think that's an argument that we can use anymore. But anyways, Ripple continuing to push ODL, doing their thing. Look at longevity, right? Longevity-wise, you look at 2017. I was here in 2017, late 2017. I joined cryptocurrency Halloween night of 2017, so October 31st, 2017. If I look at these lists, ETH was there, XRP was there, I don't even think Cardano was there. None of these coins, Tron might have been at the top. Litecoin was there. None of these coins, XLM was up there. Monero was up there. Like, all the longevity of XRP is ridiculous. Other than ETH and Bitcoin, it is has been the most stable in the top, right, 20, 30 of any cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's always going to be there, even though it sucks. ETH has just been like a groundbreaking, improvement in the cryptocurrency space in terms of applications. And XRP is actually changing the way that money is transferred. I hate these settlement days. I hate this trash with Swift. I've used Swift before. It was trash. I was one of the not rare, or I don't know if it's not rare, but rare occasions where it took more time because we had to deal with bank accounts and transfers and BS, right? Sending money to South America back in the day for a project. Anyways. Those are my thoughts on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, which I know you did, because I dropped gems in this one, make sure to smash the like button. For real. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
If you're still watching right now, what is it? 11 minutes and 20 seconds into the video. Comment down below. Say, yo bro, I'm still watching, or still here, or whatever you want to comment, so I can thank you and like that comment or whatever. And yeah, I appreciate the support, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate this. I'm a little rusty, guys. I appreciate the support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, as usual, peace.